Hello, everyone. Welcome to Heal Yourself Rather Than See a Doctor, Chapter 18, The Root Cause of Hypertension and the Corresponding Treatment. 大家好，欢迎来到看医生不如看自己。第18章高血压的根本原因和治疗方向。今天我们讲第二个讲座。Today, let's talk about Lecture 2. The right way to treat hypertension. 高血压的正确治疗方向。Hypertension is more common in middle-aged and elderly people and rarely occurs in young people. 高血压多见于中老年人，而青少年很少发病。Therefore, this is because in adolescence, the elasticity and compliance of blood vessels are very good, while the aging of blood vessels in middle-aged and elderly people, the elasticity decreases and the compliance becomes poor. 这是因为青少年时期血管的弹性、顺应性很好。而中老年人的血管老化、弹性下降、顺应性变差。Therefore, the correct direction for the treatment of hypertension should be to improve the elasticity of blood vessels and restore them to a normal state, rather than the treat method of today's medicine. 所以呢，治疗高血压的正确的方向应该是改善血管的弹性，使之恢复正常的状态，而不是今天医学的治疗方法。Okay, so see you in the next lecture.